Welcome to the National League of Junior Cotillions. Across America, thousands of students are being trained each year in etiquette, ethics, and social dance by the National League of Junior Cotillions. Established in 1979, NLJC trains and licenses directors to establish local cotillion programs. No other organization has trained so many students in character and social education.
My favorite part of Cotillion is talking to my friends and learning new dances and stuff that I can use outside of Cotillion. The one thing I've learned at being at Cotillion is the manners that you use at the table. I think I could use those.
The phenomenal success of NLJC is a result of outstanding local directors who establish a chapter of this program in their community. Each director is given personalized training and the necessary materials to instruct their students in modern etiquette, ethics, and social dance. Through a program that builds self-confidence and sets boundaries of behavior, NLJC offers an everlasting tradition.
I enjoyed very much dipping and dancing with my daughter tonight. It was a wonderful experience and I got to spend some quality time with her. My favorite part was holding my hand with my daughter and dancing around the ballroom.
I would recommend this program to other families.
My favorite part about the parents dip into dancing tonight was that I got to dance with my dad.
And that I got to dance with my daughter.
Yes, Cotillions is a lot of fun.
I'm Mary Carol Butterfield and I'm 17 years old.
I'm Alex McFadden and I'm also 17 years old.
I did Cotillion for 3 years with Miss Mosley, and by the time I got through 8th grade it had been such an incredible experience, so I wanted to keep doing it, and I'd looked up so much to the assistants when I was in the program that I wanted to have the same impact on other students going through.
Our mission statement: to act and learn to treat others with honor, dignity, and respect, for better relationships with family, friends, and associates, and to learn and practice ballroom dance. For more information on enrolling your child, please contact the corporate office.